In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to a different Gmail account quickly and easily. This is really useful if you have more than one email address and want to switch between personal, work, or school accounts without getting confused. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail, where you'll see the account you're currently signed into. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This is where Google keeps all of your account options in one place. Once the menu opens, click Add another account. This tells Gmail that you want to sign in with a different email address instead of using the one that is already open. Next, enter the other Gmail address you want to use, then click Next. After that, type in the password for that account and click Next again. If Google asks you to complete a verification step, go ahead and follow the prompts on the screen. This may include confirming a code, using your phone, or answering a security check. Once that's done, the new account will be added successfully. Now you can switch between your Gmail accounts anytime without signing out. To do that, just click your profile picture again in the top right corner, and you'll see all of the accounts that are signed in. From there, select the Gmail account you want to open, and Gmail will switch to that inbox right away. This is the easiest way to manage multiple Gmail accounts in one browser, and it saves time every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides, Gmail tips, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.